Hi, I'm Zena, founder and master tea blender at clubmagichour.com. We are a company that is based on the ancient art of tea ceremony in a modern world. And there is nothing more beautiful than the Japanese tea ceremony. And so today we will be creating a little modern take on a Japanese green tea cocktail for the season to celebrate Queen of Kyoto, our new Japanese beautiful green tea for celebrating spring and celebrating the beautiful country of Japan. Okay, so we've got the green tea brewed here, and it is such a lovely color, as you can see. It is fresh. We love sipping Japanese green teas fresh from the garden. They are so divine. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to create a Sakura green tea sake. So I've got my my Queen of Kyoto green tea, and I'm going to pour that into ice here. Look at that gorgeous color. Doesn't that just make you want to drink it? You could just drink it like this. Or you can add, we're going to add some premium sake, and we're going to put that in. So you're going to do 2 ounces. Is it per drink, Ashley, or 1? Per drink? Okay, great. So you put your 6 ounces of steeped and cooled Queen of Kyoto green tea with 2 ounces of sake, and then we're going to do a ½ ounce of simple syrup. And you can make simple syrup out of monk fruit if you want to go completely sugar-free. And then we're going to do a ¼ ounce of lemon juice. Yum! Ooh. That already looks good. And you can definitely do this without the sake. Don't feel any pressure. We really love to make these without any type of alcohol as well. It's just always fun to show a little variation on a theme. Then that's got lemon juice and simple syrup, and then we've got some ginger. And we're gonna put that in here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna strain this into the cups with the fresh ginger, and that is a lot of ice cubes. I'm gonna put those back in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Oh, this smells good. It's lemony. It's got a fresh green vegetal delicious scent from the fresh green tea, and then it's got organic sake, a little simple syrup. And that is it. That is all you have to do. And so this is a Sakura green tea sake cocktail. And this is made from Queen of Kyoto green tea from the Wanderlust collection at clubmagichour.com. I hope you will sip with me soon and enjoy a tea ceremony to bring yourself closer to your inner world and your family and your friends. And you can celebrate any time of the day. Without the sake, of course. You can travel the world through tea at clubmagichour.com. Cheers.